No bullying. 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 No bullying.
Yes, sir. I'd like to take this opportunity to greet everyone. My name is Sheffield Chuma. I'm the chairperson. We are going to the name of our group is investment is our motto. The topic we are dealing with is prevention of bullying through advice learners. Our fair will take place in a camp setting, in a scout camp setting, whereby the need was identified in school. The children are bullying one another. They don't interact very well. So the aim of our camp is to make them interact very well, so that they cannot bully one another. They must understand that they are brothers and sisters. Thank
Good afternoon, group.
How are
you?
We are
I'm fine. I'd like us to continue from where we left off. And let me take this opportunity to welcome everybody to our third session. As this is our third session from the last two sessions we've been having. But before we continue, I'd like us to start by saying a prayer. Let us begin saying a prayer. Who's going to say a prayer for us? Okay, please do. While we're still seated. God bless this day. Amen. The last session we were talking about something different. So this session we'll be talking about something that is extremely different. Remember the last time we were talking, we said in the last lesson, in our third session we'll be talking about bullying.
Yes.
That's okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, I've given you a task to go and discuss and find out more about bullying. Before we continue and go on, I want to see if you all understand what we'll be talking about in today's session. Anyone who can define what bullying is to us? Yes, cool.
Yes, sir. I think bullying, sir, is when you hurt somebody intentionally. So.
A round of applause. Somebody intentionally, with the intention to do harm to the person. That's a very good explanation. But there are types of bullying. Bullying can take place in different types. So I want to see if you all understand. Can anyone in this room show of hands please tell us what the types of bullying are? You? Masuku?
Physical bullying.
Physical bullying. You reply?
Verbal bullying.
Verbal bullying. Tabo?
Verbal bullying.
Now. remember what we discussed? Remember what did you say about group rules in the making of that session? Nkonyani?
Say you accept the person but not the behavior.
We accept the person as an individual but not the behavior. That's good. A round of applause. Kele, what did you say?
So we do not laugh at others.
We did not laugh at others. That's the important thing. And thirdly, what did we say? Okay, we said that we give each other a chance to speak, and when the other is speaking, we listen. Isn't that so?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now, the types of bullying as we discussed and what bullying is. I want us to go further by, before we go any further, can you get 2 volunteers to come to the front and just demonstrate what bullying is or how it happens? Let's get a reply and you two know. Thank you. That's very good. A round of applause. Now we just see bullying take place. There is bullying. There is a physical type of bullying, whereby it happens when somebody is spitting at another's body or at another's face or another's clothes, or punching one another around the body. That's actually the type of bullying which is physical bullying. Now, verbal bullying happens when somebody is teasing the other with the aim of getting that person hurt emotionally. That are the types of bullying that happens most of the time. Now, let us go further by discussing bullying. Bullying has, after it happened, it has got effects. Now, what are the effects you know? Maybe from the past experiences that you've seen others being bullied. What are the effects of bullying?
You develop phobia sexual.
Development of phobia, loneliness, humor, anxiety,
Isolation from others.
isolation from others, missing school. It can lead to depression. A round of applause. That's very good. Those are the many types of effects of bullying. After bullying has taken place, people may feel in different ways. Some may be depressed, some may miss school in fear of getting bullied again at school. Now that is very good. I want us to go on by discussing now how we can prevent bullying. By the way, what is to prevent? You can discuss, okay? Okay, let's hear.
Say prevent is when you combat something from happening.
To combat. Now, what is to combat? Combat is a very big term. What is to combat? Anyone with a simpler word? You want? To stop. A round of applause for the answer. That is very good. When you combat something, is when you stop it actually from happening. Before it happens even more, or before it perpetuates. Now, how can we prevent bullying? Maybe some of you know how we can prevent bullying. By fighting back. Okay. Let us come down. Fighting back. But we need to see if you fight back, it is going to keep on. Okay, we are not stopping it. It means we are now encouraging it to be. What are the others saying about fighting back? Okay, if we all don't agree, then what are we suggesting we do?
You must ask them. So you should ask first.
We should ask. That is very good. If you want something from another person, you ask. If that person is willing to give you that particular thing that you're asking for, then that person will give you. Isn't that true?
Yes.
Round of applause. Thank you. Now, what can we do more to prevent bullying? I think we can prevent bullying by reporting it to a class rep or a class teacher if you see maybe the potential of happening that someone gets bullied. Isn't that so?
Yes.
Or if we're at home, we can report it to our older brothers or older sisters or maybe even our parents. But we must encourage you to pray together. Is that not so?
Yes.
Thank you. Now let us see. I want us to recap everything that we have done in today's session. Let us look back and see what have we done in today's session. What have we done?
We must not dehumanize people who say.
Dehumanize. Dehumanize. What is to dehumanize? That's a very big word. Now let us bring it to a simpler form. What is to dehumanize? Since we all don't know, it's okay not to know something. Then we learn. To dehumanize someone is, I think, to make a person feel less of a person that he or she is. That is to dehumanize something. If you take it as well. Do you all understand what this is?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's very much. Thank you. Now, this said we must not dehumanize others. Now, that is all understood. Now, what must we do again? If I want us to recap. Now, remember what did you do in today's session? I want to see if you have learned something. Kumo?
Yes, ma'am. So we talked about prevention of bullying.
Prevention of bullying, that's the last thing that we talked about. Okay?
So we defined bullying.
We defined what is bullying. We all understood the prevention and definition of bullying.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Etabo?
We did the effects of bullying.
We did the effects of bullying. That is very much true. Now again, that is all what we did in today's session. I'd like to take this moment and to thank every one of you for being present in today's third session and being participative and being in your best good behaviors. Thank you that we have not derived away from our principles as a group of respecting one another and respecting that all of us are unique. Now, I'd like to thank you all for coming to this session, and let me thank mostly the troop leader for being here with us in today's session. Thank you, sir.
I'd rather be a nobody
Than be a bullying somebody.
I can't hear you.
I'd rather be a little nobody than